song a hin pen paso amai ke phalam pachin ne aprang litum sab lituma DYE a song achini pruji phan nili apor enpo nili bangke la so song long amai phulo jurjar hanse lapen ke apu bangke litum secretary lo harsing rongpi lapen bangke tapu itu mejias lo thenglong rongpi apu se apuan itu members executive member lo lapen la so soma bangke non political organizations lapen ke dak job akhai da dodun lo Consiri constituency lo ang voters lo pote job akhai da dodun lo lapen bangke kaprega song nidos tame paso asong long chirap dun lo either he will be working in any organizations or political organizations but they can come for the common issues of the constituency itum DYE hin pen itum kaching hon CM sar ke hai phan itum choro entung nilitum jerding klui pen lapu birla to rong pin plam kachel lengan tawar kisung alangli DYE hin pen allo ki pidam pen alangli tong sekot asai ke klem pen non tawar kimi krong plut itum birla tu rong pin plam arada hin pen itum DYE hin pen tame langli phan joro parpik lo asi Nilitum la DYE asong mate Dhonsari Youth Associations aso songa bangke particularly for Dhonsari youths lasi dak Dhonsari youths an below 40 years atuman dak ang chiram chitodum tame alangli kaprek organization ng dokok tame suppose like kaprek organizations KNA makuya kaprek song dopik dakar benglong lang litum kaprek organization ng chirap stame litum organization ng bangke alang li jongsi Dhonsari constituency a voter amrit polote alang litum aso song long welcome kaike mata welcome ji basi aso asonga bangke amhang pathek bang lalo je Dhonsari pajing thuraphan basi amoto masi unite for development mate arlinglaman jamlote wangnol tum paching thirona Dhonsari constituency phang paching thurona asipini mai ke pha bangke lalo yetum Dhonsari constituency paching thuraphan KAAC mate Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council of Han yetum isonsoni kachuning ri kangtung alam dokok aposil aso fresh bida bangke ke hanglo masi kechengsi la bangke education ahin mate Dhonsari along la pulang nam nang apar habjananat mate birla pe roming plamadak litum school mission ave mate high school ave lasi holdak apar habjanalong ME school do pasu ME school abang upgrade naing mate high school an KAC pen upgrade nangji lapen thuke dordoli angkang dak latum tame arleng side lapen ke dak charli aphan kisung teknik lasidak kisip high school do mate semi golf school do also semi golf school bang provincialized pon sirak nangji secondly mate aduntu nitu muchung dikang tunga bangke dak difu pen dordoli pen angko Dhonsari bojaran towar keno hektik lasi Dhonsari bojaran kepale aphan towar krong nido ekro bangke dak difu tu dordoli mate krong plut Jum Control Road ahin pen ponangji labangki newly construction claim vek nangpo lapen thu bangke dak difu pen Dhonsari railway junction san Islam bom atowar la patang sirak nangji pusi nilitum KAC Karbeng Long Autonomous Council of Han juning ri pati krim lo. Thirdly abang ke lalo